We are outside this summer. We outside. Say, I'm not doing anything this summer. I don't want no scrub. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. What's up? It's your girl Tori, and I am back with another video. So today I am here with another haul video, and this time it's gonna be from Prettylittlething. So Prettylittlething, I've always seen it around, seen the try-on hauls, but I have never tried it for myself. So I have a trip coming up in a week, and I decided that I wanted to try some stuff from there to see how they look. And yeah, my package came, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. I didn't get a crazy amount. I didn't go crazy, but I did get a few outfits. So yeah, let's open the bag and see what we got. Alright. So, I'm so excited. Alright, so I remember getting like a few dresses and stuff. So let's start out with that. Alright. Okay, so the first dress I'm seeing is the one that I've been wanting. And it is, I'm gonna put the picture to the side right here. So it's, I got it in the color nude. And I just love this dress, y'all. I saw the pictures and I just love how it let everyone just, their body looks so popping in this dress. I was like, I have to have it. So here it is. It feels really good, y'all. I love the material. It's hard to show how it like actually looks because the top part is kind of like a part on its own. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, so this is how the top looks, right? And this little string holds it, and then it kind of just comes out like that. But it is nice. The material is really good. I like it. A bit see-through, but I don't think it's like that much. It's like that woven material. But yeah, let's try this on and see how it looks. Overall, I do like it so far, so let's try it on. Now guys, this is the dress and it's nice. I like it. So the boob area though is a bit tiny, I will say. Like, I am getting some under boobs, but y'all, this is really nice. I don't want to pull it all the way down because when I do, it's basically touching the floor. I don't know if you can see it, but like the dress is really long. Or I don't know, maybe because I'm short. So it is really long, so I kind of have to bunch it up a bit around here just so that it's not like touching the floor. But I like it. I really do like it. This is, it's cute. It's cute. I'll definitely be rocking this. I don't know where I'm wearing it to though. Yeah, I don't really have any places to go like that. And I don't know where I'm not, like I said, this is a family trip to Miami. I'm not really going to be doing anything crazy, going out to eat or anything like that. So I don't know where I'm wearing this to, but I am liking it though. It's nice. It does make your butt look really nice too, I will say. Like, I'm looking in my mirror and yeah, I like it. I like it. So let's try the other one. Alright, so the second dress that I have is this lavender dress. If you know me, you know lavender, purple in general is my favorite color. As you can see in my background, love it. So I saw this dress and I was just like, it's lavender, it has butterflies on it, like this is the dress. It's right here. Let me put it right here on the model. But I really wanted this dress because I just love the pattern. It's not one of those, like, it's more chill, like picnic vibes is what it's giving. But it is so cute. I feel like you can dress this up or down. You can wear it with some sneakers. You can wear it with like some heels or some flip-flops. But y'all, I don't know. All these fibers flying around. But this is the dress. It does have these straps that you can adjust. So I like that. And then the zipper is in the back for you to get into it. So that's really nice. And then the ends just kind of frill off, and it does have this string at the end, so you can kind of it doesn't look like, oh yeah, so it allows you to kind of, if you want it shorter or longer, you can adjust it and tie it. So I thought that was cute. The material is really nice too. It's, let's see what material this is. I don't know if it says it. And this is the lilac butterfly printed cami dress, for those who are wondering. I will put all the links in the description in case you want it. I don't know where on here it says what type of material this is though. Alright you guys, so this is the other dress and it is so cute. Y'all, I can't zip the back up. Like, I can't go that far. And no one's here to help me, but this is how it looks. See, it is really cute. Like, I like how flowy it is here. If you want to be extra, you can kind of pull it up. Not my style, but I like it. It's really nice. The material is really comfy, and like I said, you can adjust the straps. Oh, and the dress before that, that is the stone chair knit cut out maxi dress. So yeah. All right, let's get into the other dress that I got, because I got mainly dresses. So this dress I thought was so cute. Like, the colors on it, the color is what made me grab it. It's a simple dress, but the color is like a pink, orange, and like a dark purple. I got it in a medium because I wanted it to be like longer, but it looks like it's gonna be a short dress, so I don't know. I don't like when I get dresses and I have to keep pulling them down, but I feel like this might be one of those dresses. The reason why I got it too is because it's that style or that pattern where you put everything to one side so it looks like this, and I thought that was really cute. And I like the material. It is on the thinner side though. It is on the thinner side, but this dress is the pink abstract print slinky asymmetric strap dress, and they had this in they had this pattern in a bunch of other items too, like two-piece items. So I really like this one. So we'll try it on and see how it looks in a minute. Alright you guys, so this is the other dress that I have, and like I said, well, it is short, but it's not that short as I thought it would be, so that's good. And basically, you bring it over. I like how it looks. Don't mind this weird thing. I put some padding in there because, you know, it is nipples to the wind in this outfit, okay? So you will have to get pasties. But I do like it. I've always wanted one of these dresses, and I love the color. I feel like it really, you know, brings out my skin tone. So I do like it. Yeah, I like it. And I got this in a size medium because I could have gotten a small, but I didn't want it to keep like riding up. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. This is the last dress, and this one is the one that I was really looking for too, because I just, for summertime, I just wanted a nice dress that complements my skin. and I felt like this one was so cute. So it has like a strap around the neck. Y'all, I am so sorry. It is 4th of July that I'm filming this video, and you know these people go crazy about these fireworks. So if you hear that, that's what it is. And they already started. Like, this is another thing. These people have been doing fireworks since last year. They have not stopped. And I'm getting real sick of it. Like, y'all need to get a job. Anyways, this is the dress, and it's like you tie it around your neck, and this one side also has this part where you can pull it up and adjust it to how long or how short you want it. I like the this little outside part. It just adds another layer to the dress. And yeah, let's see. It's a really nice material too, so I can't wait to try this on. I feel like this will go good with some nude or brown heels and a nice bag, like a nice brown or yellow bag. Yeah. This dress is called the Orange Abstract Pink, what is this? Abstract print, halter neck, mesh, layered bodycon dress. And the material is kind of like that jersey type material, I think. But it feels really nice, feels cool. So yeah. Alright you guys, so this is the other one, and yeah, I love it. So I did pull this up a bit on the side, and I like how this is kind of like layered like that. At first I didn't like it, but it's nice, and it does add a bit of length to the dress, because like I said, the dress is short too, but I like it. This is the back, so just a tie in the back, but it looks amazing, you guys. Like, I like it. This is nice for like a quick dinner somewhere. But this looks like a nice day dress too, like a nice day dress to go out and have lunch in with some heels. This is cute. I like it. I keep saying I like it, but I do like them though. I love the color, so this is gonna go good. I think I have like a yellow purse that I might wear this with. Future Tori here. I know I'm looking busted, but this dress is very see-through. I didn't realize that, and you can't even notice it in the video, but I tried to wear this dress and my mom was like, I'm seeing your underwear, so be mindful when you buy. And then the last set that I got from Prettylittlething is, it is a, not a tracksuit, it's like those what do you call them? It's the bicycle shorts set, and I thought these were really cute, so let me show you. I got like a kind of nudish pink color, and basically these are the shorts. They look really nice. I like how up here has this it's a lot thicker. I've noticed like biker shorts, like the thinner ones, the tops look bunched. It's giving granny when you see them, but this one is really nice. Like, looks like a short. If you wore like a blouse that's not fully covering you, it looks fine because it's not all bunched up. If you guys buy biker shorts, you know what I'm talking about. Like the other biker shorts, they're not like cute if you were to wear them by themselves, but this one is. So yeah, it says POT down here, which is nice, I guess. And then the top is what made me really buy it though. So let me show y'all. So the top is that style that's currently in fashion, where like the front kind of just goes down, and then the back part you kind of hook to it. So I don't know if I can show y'all properly, but basically the back is like this, and then you kind of push this through here, loop it, and then you can tie it in the back in whatever style you want. But I thought that was really cute, you know? It would kind of cover up to here, like right under your boobs, and then the back. And once you tie it, you know, it will be set. Like you wouldn't be, you know, your boobs wouldn't be out. So I like that. So I'm gonna try this one on, and then I will get back to you on these ones. Alright, you guys, so this is the last outfit, and as you can see, it does give a little bit of side boobs, but it is so cute. And like I said, you remember how I mentioned that these they give that kind of granny look? This one looks really nice. This is how it looks in the back. So I just did a quick like tie. I think you can probably do it however you want. But this is how it looks. And I like this. This with some sneakers would be like so cute. Like, I did put like some covers in here in case you're wondering. But you do have to, a bra is gonna show when you wear it. So I would say get some pasties and rock that so that you can still just look put together. Or you can use like boob tape, I think. That should work too. But yes, we are outside this summer. We outside. Like, I'm not doing anything this summer, y'all. I really don't be. I hate when it gets too hot because I be miserable. But yeah. So these are the looks. So yes, you guys, these are the looks. I hope you like them. I like them. I feel like Prettylittlething in these stores are not meant for like everyday wear like this. It's cute, but it's giving a lot of side boob. This is like, you know, an outfit for a cute little day, you know, thing with your friends. But the clothes that I bought, I don't feel like they're realistic for like things outside of that and going out for the day. You know, regular clothes that you throw on. But I do like them because I am trying to, you know, take more pictures, be aesthetically pleasing. So I do like them for that. But yeah, let me know if you like the video. Let me know if you like the sets. I will link them all below. I did get everything in a medium or small for the most part. So I'll put everything. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and you can also tap that notification bell to know whenever I post. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.